Good morning, students. Yesterday in class 8 chemistry, I taught you lesson 9, carbon and its compounds. In that, I told you about the different types of coal, the formation of coal, how coal is formed, and the different types of coal. Different types of coal you have studied that there are three types of coal: bituminous coal, lignite, and anthracite. I have also told you about the uses. So all the uses you have to learn about the coal, different types of coal, as well as about the qualification. Today we will discuss some other amorphous form of carbon. Three main points we have to discuss. First is the lampblack. It is the amorphous form of carbon. We have to discuss how it is prepared and what are their uses. And second, gas carbon we have to discuss, and the third one is the coke. So first, lamp black it is also called soot, or we can say lamp black is also called carbon black. So what is actually the lamp black? It is a fine black powder prepared by burning hydrocarbons like kerosene, oil, wax, petrol or naphthalene in a limited supply of air. So whenever these hydrocarbons, just now I wrote kerosene, oil, wax, petrol, I told you all this. These are the hydrocarbons, and when these hydrocarbons are burnt in a limited supply of air, then carbon black is formed. It is also called lamp black or soot. Now what are the uses of this lamp black or carbon black? So first use is that it is used as a pigment in the manufacture of shoe polish, black paints and colors. And third main use of the lamp black, it is used in manufacture of printing ink cartridges. So these are the two main uses of the lamp black. It is used as a pigment in the manufacture of shoe polish, paints and colors also, and it is also used in the manufacture of printing ink in the cartridges. Now these are the about lamp black and their uses. Now second we have to discuss about gas carbon. So what is a gas carbon? It is also same like the lamp black or carbon black. So it is also a black powder that gets deposited by heating hydrocarbon in the absence of air. So whenever the hydrocarbon is heated in the absence of air, that process is called destructive distillation. And by the process of destructive distillation of the coal, destructive distillation means heating the coal in the absence of air. And when this coal is heated in the absence of air, so what happens? The black powder gets deposited of this hydrocarbon. So that is called gas carbon. And the main use of the gas carbon is that its main property, first you all know that gas carbon is a good conductor of electricity. That's why it is used in the formation of or in the manufacture of electrodes. So the main use of the gas carbon is that it is used in the manufacture of electrodes, which electrodes, we all know about electrodes, they conduct the electricity. Now third main amorphous form of carbon we have to discuss, that is the coke. Coke is also the amorphous form of carbon, and it is dark black solid obtained as a residue during destructive distillation of coal. One thing you all know that in all the three, whether it is lamp black, gas carbon or coke, all these amorphous form of carbon are obtained by the destructive distillation of the coal. And destructive distillation, you should know what is destructive distillation means: heating the coal in the absence of air in a high temperature. Now the use of coke, as I told you, it is a dark black solid obtained as a destructive distillation of coal. So their uses, it is mainly used as an industrial fuel. In industries it is used as it does not produce any kind of smoke on heating. So whenever we burn this coke, it does not produce any kind of smoke, means it does not cause any pollution. So it is mainly used in industries, means industrial fuel it is used. And second, it is also used as it acts as a good reducing agent in the factories also. And third main use of the coke is that it is used in the manufacture of gaseous fuel. Gaseous fuel, you all know about the water gas and producer gas. These are the two types of gaseous fuel, water gas and producer gas. So actually what is the water gas? You have studied in the previous lessons that water gas is a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas. So and how this carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas is produced? So they are produced by passing steam over hot coke. So whenever the this water gas is specially produced by the mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas, this is only called water gas, and this gas is produced by heating this the coke over the hot steam. And producer gas, the second one is the producer gas, which is a mixture of carbon monoxide and nitrogen. The difference between water gas and producer gas is that water gas is a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen, and producer gas is a mixture of carbon monoxide and nitrogen. And water gas is produced by passing steam or hot coke, whereas producer gas is produced by passing air over hot coke. So that is the main difference between the water gas and the producer gas. But both are the gaseous fuel, and these coke, they are used in the manufacture of these gaseous fuel, either it is a water gas or the producer gas. So these are the three uses of the coke. What is the first use? It is used as an industrial fuel because it does not produce any smoke on burning. Second, it acts as a good reducing agent, and third, it is used in the manufacture of the gaseous fuel. So this is all about the three amorphous form of carbon: lampblack, gas carbon, and coke. In tomorrow's class, we have to study about the characteristics of the carbon dioxide and how it is prepared, as well as their